back to my channel, to another episode of making myself look stupid. Welcome to this video. So as you can see from the title, today I decided to film the Grinch makeup look. So a couple of weeks ago I did Cindy Lou Who, so if you're interested on seeing that video, then I'm going to link it up in the card and also probably in the description box, so you can click on it and then watch it back. So today I'm going to do Grinch, and I'm wearing a Grinch top for that. And so I don't know how is this going to turn out. I tried to look up like a couple of like Grinch makeups and stuff, and yeah, I'll probably see you at the end of this video. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, I think I'm gonna put on some foundation, like a little, sorry about my crazy hair, so base foundation, because I'm going to put green on my face, so I don't know if it's gonna stain my face or not, and I obviously don't want to go around with green face. So yeah, let's do that. Like a thin foundation everywhere. Very thin, very quick, not even trying to make it look nice. And then I'm going to, I have a picture of Grinch actually, so I'm gonna look at that picture and trying to follow the makeup. So wish me luck. Okay, so first I need to literally make my whole face green, so I'm gonna try that, and I'm going to use this massive brush to achieve it. So unfortunately I only have eyeshadow, so this is my color. I was very lucky the last time I was doing Lucy Lou Who, because no one rang the bell. But I'm always so scared of like someone delivering a parcel or something, and then I'm literally looking like this. So let's hope it's gonna be the same this time as well, and no one's going to interrupt me. I literally bring like orange this year. I've been white, I've been everything. Just literally making myself all these characters, and they don't even look nice. Like I'm not even that, like, it's not like I'm doing like super amazing makeup and stuff. I'm literally just doing this because I'm having so much fun looking like this, like making myself look different and weird, and yeah, yeah. So if you are into makeup and now you're literally screaming around like, what the hell am I doing with all these brushes and colors and stuff, like, don't really take this video serious, because as I said, I'm just doing it for my own and hopefully your entertainment. Oh my god, this is taking bloody ages. Shall I do my neck? Oh, it's gonna take ages. Yeah, I'm not doing my neck. It's gonna take so long. Welcome back to my channel, to another episode of making myself look stupid. I literally look like a grape. Okay, so let's do the wrinkles. I need a flat brush. That will do. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows to make it a bit more angry. I'm gonna curl it up. Okay, big bags under my eyes. This is actually hard. I don't know what point I thought it's going to be easy, to be honest, but so hard to do stuff on the side of your face because you can't really see what you're doing. I can relate to the Grinch though. One, I hate people. Two, I hate Christmas. Well, I have like a love and hate relationship with Christmas because I like the traditions in terms of decorating everything, and you know, it's a little bit similar to like Halloween, that I just like that something different, you know, like your house looks beautiful and everything. But what annoys me is that people are going crazy around Christmas, so that makes me hate Christmas. And I think as well because I'm like a little bit away from my family as well, so it's just, you know, this, yeah, I'm with my fiance and stuff, but all the rest of my family is in a different country. So okay, I'm gonna put shiny and then let's do the mouth. I'm the Grinch. I feel like my mouth and my nose shape perfectly. I think I need to buy some new eyeliners because it's really running out. What did you use your last little bit of your eyeliner for? Oh, I just made myself the purple Grinch. Nothing much. Oh, fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Why is there no more in it? Now I just done a line in my forehead. I think I'm gonna be the next James Charles. Fucking no. I really should have blended that, so I think I should put some white or like lighter to like what I did on my nose to make it a little bit more pop, because I think this color is quite dark. So I'm gonna do some light colors. I think it does make it look a little bit better, but not gonna help as much as it should. Probably should stop talking as well while I'm doing my face. Also, I can agree with the Grinch that I want to be invited everywhere but don't want to go anywhere. So you better invite me. I think I'm done. I'm quickly going to do some eyeliner, put my hat on, and that's it. Not eyeliner. What is this? You know what I mean? Get the hat. Okay, I got a Christmas blanket as well, so I'm going to put that over me just to make myself look more. I wish I had like green hairspray that I could. So that should look like a Santa outfit. Now let me get the. Oh, why is my hair in the way? Giving it away. I hate Christmas! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. I'm just trying to have some fun, cheer myself up a little bit in this bloody pandemic and stuff. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet down below, please make sure you do. Also give this video a like, maybe share it so other people can see me being stupid. See you next week. Bye. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna steal your tree. You looking at? I got a tree. You wanna see my tree? I stole a Christmas tree. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Let me take a thumbnail, yeah? Oh, actually, I haven't put in my thing. Shit, I forgot. That's my fault. Look at that. I hate Christmas so much. Okay, peace out.